Hi, this is Lorraine Hazel, and I wanted to share with you a project you can do with your kids for Thanksgiving. And this is what it is. It's a turkey made out of a paper plate, construction paper, post-it notes, and possibly some hole reinforcers. Okay, if you want that to go around the eyes. All right, the first thing you do is you take the paper plate and you're going to just cut below the halfway mark of just a little bit. Cut around the circle so you end up with a piece that looks like this. Okay? And then you're going to take your brown paper and you're going to cut a circle out of it. To get the measurements for the circle, just cut around another paper plate, put that on top of the construction paper, and draw around it, cut around it. Okay, so here's your circle. All right, and of course that circle gets pasted right there, okay, right in the circle on the paper plate. All right, the next thing you need is some yellow paper, and you cut out a piece like this. You might want to draw it right in the circle of a paper plate first to get the size of it, and it's just shaped like an 8 with a smaller circle on top. Okay, so kind of shape it like this. You can see I already put the eyes on because they're kind of small and hard for little hands. If you're doing it with toddlers or some younger preschoolers, it might be hard to stick that on, so I did that first. And those are just hole punches. So you just take your little hole punch and punch those out of black construction paper. Okay, now you'd have this part stuck on the turkey, and then you'll do this one, but first do the feet. So the feet are cut just like this. Let me see if I can put it behind the paper plate so you can get an idea of what it looks like. Just like that, okay? And I cut them on a fold so that I could get them the same. And, you know, just make them look like a pair of feet. Let me see if I can show you a little better here. There we go, okay? And then when you open them up, you'll have little feet like this. All right? Now those get stuck to the back of the body shape. So just like that, there's the back. Do they stick there? And then that's how it would look, like that. My daughter stuck them on the front, and that's okay too. All right? So then after you stick that on, you can piece this all together. You have this piece here, and then you put it like that. See, the body drops just a little bit lower than the brown, okay, the brown circle. Okay, now you're ready for the wattle and the beak. So what you want to do is cut this out of red construction paper, and mine is shaped sort of like a figure 8 again. It does not have to be perfect. Probably the more imperfect it is, the better it will be. And then you want to cut out of orange paper a little beak, and the beak gets stuck right on top of the wattle, near the top of it, okay? And my daughter did her wattle like this, okay, off to the side. So you could do it that way too. After you've glued those pieces down, the last part you need is these little feathers, all right? And I made those out of post-it notes, okay? Post-it notes just like this. They come in a pack of pink, purple, and orange. So I just used those colors and put them on in a pattern around. Very easy. See how they just stick on right there? And they look really neat. I also cut little flaps out of the paper plate, about every third one, just to make it wobble and move a little bit more. All right, so there you have it, your turkey. Have fun making a turkey. Bye-bye.